Imagine waking up one day, looking in the mirror, but seeing no signs of aging, no pain, no disease, no fear of death. The years pass, yet you remain unchanged. Is this a possible future, or just an impossible dream? Humans have always pursued immortality, from the ancient Egyptian myths of eternal life to medieval alchemists searching for the elixir of youth, and now modern scientists racing to stop or even reverse aging. But what if I told you that science might be closer than ever to making this dream a reality? Death is not just an event. It is a complex biological process that has been unfolding within our bodies since the moment we were born. But why do we actually die? Telomere erosion. With each cell division, our chromosomes lose a small portion of their telomeres, the protective caps of our DNA. Once telomeres become too short, cells stop dividing and eventually die. Genetic errors accumulation. As we age, genetic mutations accumulate, leading to aging-related diseases like cancer. Oxidative stress. Free radicals damage cells and proteins over time, causing a gradual breakdown of vital functions. Immune system decline. Our immune system weakens with age, making us more vulnerable to diseases and infections. But what if we could prevent all of this? What if we could take control over the very mechanism of death itself? Can we stop aging? For the first time in human history, we are not just studying how death happens, but how it can be prevented. Technologies aiming to stop aging. Telomere extension. Research by scientists like Elizabeth Parrish has shown that telomeres can be lengthened using genetic engineering techniques. Stem cells. Reprogramming old cells to become new again, potentially regenerating organs and slowing down aging. Preventing genetic mutations. Experiments on mice have shown that certain drugs may slow down or even reverse some signs of aging. If these technologies prove effective, we might be on the brink of a medical revolution that could make death optional in the future. Merging humans with machines. Are we becoming cyborgs? If we can't fix our bodies, why not replace them? Technologies that could push humans beyond biological limits. Neuralink. Elon Musk's project aims to merge the human brain with AI, potentially allowing consciousness to be uploaded to computers. Brain-connected prosthetics. Advanced prosthetic limbs and organs that connect directly to the brain, functioning even more efficiently than their biological counterparts. Mind uploading. If we could transfer our memories and consciousness to digital systems, could we live forever inside a virtual world? But would that be true immortality, or just a digital copy of ourselves? The ethical and philosophical risks of immortality. Immortality may seem like a dream, but it comes with complex challenges. Overpopulation. What happens if no one dies? How will we find enough resources to sustain an ever-growing population? Economic inequality. Immortality could become a privilege reserved for the wealthy, deepening class divides. Loss of purpose. Life derives meaning from its limitations. If death no longer exists, will life still have value? If humans become immortal, will life still have meaning? Or will we be trapped in an endless cycle of boredom? New discovery. Have other creatures defeated death? If there's a chance that humans can overcome death, could other living beings have already done it? The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis doherni. This marine creature can reverse its life cycle, effectively making it biologically immortal. radiation-resistant creatures like tardigrades. These microscopic animals can survive extreme conditions, including dehydration and the vacuum of space, potentially for thousands of years. If nature has already found ways to defy death, can we do the same? When will this happen? Will we ever become immortal? Scientific predictions: 2045. Futurists like Ray Kurzweil predict that humans may achieve technological immortality by the mid-21st century. 2100. Some scientists believe human lifespans could exceed 150 years, though not necessarily achieving absolute immortality. The truth is, complete immortality is still far from reality. While there has been remarkable progress in slowing aging and extending lifespans in mice and humans, there is no guaranteed method to stop death entirely. Can humans become immortal? The answer is, in the distant future, technology might make it possible, but for now, immortality remains an unfulfilled scientific dream. Can life be without boredom? Let's say we achieve immortality. Then what? Can we truly live forever without boredom? Boredom is a fundamental part of human nature. It arises from repetition and a loss of meaning. If we sometimes feel bored in a lifespan of 70 to 80 years, how would we cope if we lived for hundreds or even thousands of years? The bigger question isn't just, can we become immortal, but should we? Is immortality without boredom really possible? No one knows how our minds would change if we became immortal. We might reach a point where we lose interest in everything, or perhaps we would discover new ways to enjoy life without the fear of death. Life, as we know it, derives its value from being finite. When we are aware of our limited time, we strive to make the most of it. But if that limitation is removed, will life still have meaning? So even if we achieve immortality, the real question won't just be how to avoid death, but how to continue finding meaning in life itself. Subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts. Do you think eternal life would be enjoyable, or would it turn into an endless nightmare of boredom?